my dear visitor and subscribers, nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engine. Today we will continue our test runs of the 120 size 4-stroke engine, and right now there is a new one, an old one, new one, OS FS 120, so-called PreSurpass version, is mounted on the stand. I should say that it was bought on eBay. It was bought not new, and it arrives in the terrible condition, so a lot of problems were inside, so it was necessary for me to repair it from scratch. A lot of parts was changed, and right now here it's mounted on the stand, and let us look how it will perform after repair. About fuel, so I will use, as usual, 16% nitro model Technics fuel with 10% adding of the clothes Technic blade. Yes, the prop is 16 by 6 master air screw, and I will try to change some glow plugs during the test to understand also how they are performed together with OS FS 120 PreSurpass. So, thank you for watching. So, OS Type F plug installed. This is the really best possible idea. So, Saito SS type glow plug installed. Installing Enya 4C glow plug. Probably is the best I could achieve with the Enya glow plug posting. So, and I was found somewhere in my parts the very interesting glow plug. It's glow plug from Yamada YS number 4, and I'm very interested to test it again together with OS FS120 PreSurpass. Ready. And this glow plug YS number 4 is really a surprise of today's evening. So, my dear viewers and subscribers, I have a very mixed impressions of this test run. So I should say about the positive, I was greatly surprised about the performance of the Yamada YS number 4 glow plug. This glow plug gives me ability to run this engine at very low idle comparatively with others. There is some negative points. This is the curve is not tolerant. It needs a very thin adjustment for each thing which you are going to change. New glow plug, you should change fuel mix and the curve, etc., etc. So engine needs very thin adjustment. But anyhow, it performs great. It sounds great, and I hope that you enjoy this old, I think at least 37 years old engine, because it was launched by OS, first on the market, was introduced in the market in the 1983. Can you imagine how old it is? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Crazy Agent. See you soon and have a nice day.